Good day everyone. I am Wilmars Berondo, BS Criminology student. Today, I will tackle about the psychological effect of narcotic ingestion. So, the ingestion of narcotics or dangerous drugs poison the body. This is poisoning effect will leads to a paralysis of a respiratory center or cause heart failure. This will deny the body a sufficient amount of oxygen. Evident or visible signs which remain after death often accompany the effect of a particular drug on the human body for the trend observed. These signs are result of symptoms experienced by the victim prior to death. Following is a partial listing of the more dangerous drug, the minimum lethal dose, symptoms and cause of death. So we have 6 kind of dangerous drug that poison the body under symptoms. First, we have codeine. The symptoms of codeine is nausea, dizziness, constipation, respiratory failure. Second, we have heroin and morphine. So they have the same symptoms and cause of death. So their symptoms are sweating, loss of appetite, nausea or vomiting, constipation, itching, thirst, cyanosis, and respiratory failure. Next are barbiturates. So the symptoms of barbiturates are lower body temperature, cyanosis, cold extremities, skin rash, constipation, and respiratory arrest of pneumonia. Next is cocaine. The symptoms of cocaine are nausea, vomiting, chills, sweating, thirst, convulsions, and circulatory and respiratory failure. The last one is amphetamine. The symptoms of amphetamine are chills, sweating, diarrhea, constipation, nausea, vomiting, cramps, thirst, convulsion, and petechial hemorrhage. So those following is a partial listing of the more dangerous drugs, the minimum lethal dose, symptoms and cause of death. So that's all guys. Hope you learn. Thank you.